Hello everybody. Units and measurements PYQ from various PMT entrance exams. Question number 1. If x is equal to at plus bt square, where x is distance travelled by the body in kilometers while t is in the seconds, then the unit of b is kilometer per second, kilometer per second square, kilometer second square. Question number 2. The main scale of vernier calipers has a division n division per centimeter. N divisions of vernier scale coincide with n minus 1 divisions of the main scale. The least count of vernier calipers is. Question number 3. A certain body weighs 22.42 gram and has measured volume of 4.7 cc. The possible error in measurement of the mass and volume are 0.01 gram and 0.1 cc. The maximum error in the density will be. Question number 4. Percentage error in the measurement of mass and speed are 2% and 3% respectively. The error in the estimate of kinetic energy obtained by measuring mass and speed will be. Solution. Question number 1. Answer is C. Question 2. Answer is D. Question number 3. Most appropriate answer is B. Question number 4. The percentage error in kinetic energy is 8%. Answer is A. Fifth question. The density of cube is measured by measuring its mass and length of its side. If the maximum error in the measurement of mass and length are 3% and 2% respectively, the maximum error in the measurement of density will be. Next, if the error in measurement of the radius of sphere is 2%, then error in determination of volume of the sphere will be. Next, the dimensional formula of torque is dimensional formula of self-inductance is of the following quantities, which one has dimensions difference from the remaining three? The dimensional formula of permeability of free space is solution. Question 5th. Percentage error in density is 9%. Answer is D. Percentage error in volume of sphere is 6%. Answer is D. Dimensional formula of torque is ml square t की power minus 2. Answer is A. Dimensional formula of self inductance is ml square t की power minus 2 a की power minus 2. Answer is C. Ninth का आंसर is D. Dimensional formula of mu dot is ml t की power minus 2 a की power minus 2. Answer is A. Which one of the following has dimensions of pressure? The dimensions of RC is, which of the following is dimensional constant? Which of the following dimensions will be same as that of time? The dimensions of impulse are equal to that of. Next, the dimensional formula of magnetic flux is, which pair do not have equal dimensions? The dimensions of Planck's constant equals to that of. Solution. 11th answer is B. Dimension of RC is T. Answer is C. 13th answer is B. 14th answer is A. 15th, dimensions of impulse are equal to dimensions of linear momentum. Answer is B. Dimensions of magnetic flux are ml square t की power minus 2 a की power minus 1. Answer is C. 17 का answer is B and 18 का answer is C. Next, the dimensions of universal gravitational constant are, question number 20, the ratio of dimensions of Planck's constant and that of moment of inertia are the dimensions of. Next, dimensions of resistance of an electric circuit in terms of dimensions of M, of L, of time and current I should be. Next, which two of the following 5 physical quantities have the same dimensions? Energy density, refractive index, dielectric constant, Young's modulus, magnetic flux. If the dimensions of physical quantities MLT, then physical quantity will be m की पावर a, b की l की पावर b and t की पावर c. 19 dimensions of gravitational constant are m की पावर minus 1, l की पावर 3, t की पावर minus 2. Answer is A. 20 dimensions of h by I is t की power minus 1. Answer is B. Dimensions of r are ml square t की power minus 3, I की power minus 2. Answer is C. 22 answer is A. 23 answer is D. Question 24th. According to the Newton's viscous force acting liquid layer of area A, velocity gradient delta V by Z is given by F is eta A delta V by Z, where eta is constant called coefficient of viscosity. The dimensions of eta is. Next, the frequency of vibration of a mass m suspended from a spring of spring constant k is given by a relation f is equal to am की power x k की power y, where a is dimensionless constant. The value of x and y are. Next, P represents radiation pressure, C represents speed of light, and S represents radiation energy striking per second per unit area. The non-zero integers x, y, z such that p की power s, x, s की power y and c की power z is dimensionless R. Next, turpentine oil is flowing through a tube of length L and radius R. The pressure difference between the two ends of the tube is P. The viscosity of oil is given by eta is P R square minus x square upon 4VL, where V is the velocity of oil at distance x from the axis of the tube. The dimensions of eta are. Dimensions of eta is m L की power minus 1 t की power minus 1. Answer is D. 25th. Answer is D. 26th. Answer is C. 27th. Dimensions of eta are m L की power minus 1 t की power minus 1. Answer is D. 28th question. The time dependence of physical quantity P is given by P is equal to P dot exponent minus alpha t square, where alpha is constant and t is the time. The constant alpha. 29th. An equation is given by P plus A upon V square plus is equal to B theta by V, where P is pressure, V volume and theta absolute temperature. If A and B are constants, the dimensions of A will be. The velocity V of particle at time t is given by V is AT plus B upon T plus C, where A, B, C are constants. The dimensions of A, B and C are respectively. 31st. The density of material in CGS system of units is 4 gram per centimeter cube. In system of units in which unit of length is 10 centimeter or unit of mass is 100 gram, the value of density of material will be. 32. The dimensions of Planck constant are. 33. The dimensions formula of magnetic flux is. 28th. Dimension of alpha is m की power 0, L की power 0, t की power minus 2. Answer is B. 29. Dimensions of A is equal to m L की power 5, t की power minus 2. Answer is C. 30th. Answer is D. 31st. N2 is 40. Answer is C. 32. H की dimensions are m L square t की power minus 1. Answer is D. 33th. Dimensions of flux, magnetic flux is ml square t की power minus 2 a की power minus 1. Answer is B. 34th. The dimensional formula of constant A in van der Waals gas equation P plus A by V square V minus B is equal to RT is. What is the dimension formula or gravitational constant? 36th. Which of the following pairs does not have similar dimensions? Tension and surface tension is stress and pressure, Planck's constant and angular momentum, angle and strain. 37th. The length and breadth of the metal sheet are 3.124 meter and 3.002 meter respectively. The area of this sheet in correct significant figure is. 38th. The dimensions of energy are. 39th. Velocity of light is equal to. Answers. 34th. Dimensions of A is ml square t की power minus 2, answer is D. Dimensions of G is m की power minus 1 l की power 3 t की power minus 2, answer is C. 36th answer is A. 37th answer is A. 38th answer is C. 39th answer is A. 1 upon mu dot epsilon dot is C. 40th, using m, l and time t and current A as fundamental quantities, the dimensions of permeability are. 41, using mass length L, mass m, length L, time t and current I as fundamental quantities, the dimensions formula of permittivity is. Parsec is the unit of time, distance, frequency, angular acceleration. Dimensions of electrical resistance are. The magnetic moment has dimensions of 45th. Which of the following physical quantities do not have same dimensions? Pressure and stress, tension and surface tension, strain and angle, energy and work. 40th. Dimensions of mu dot is ml t की power minus 2 a की power minus 2, answer is C. Dimensions of epsilon dot is m की power minus 1 l की power minus 3 t की power 4 a की power 2, answer is B. 42 answer is B. 43 dimensions of R is ml square t की power minus 3 a की power minus 2, answer is B. Dimensions of m is l square a, answer is B. 45th answer is B. 46th, what is the dimensions of impedance? 47th, the speed of light c, gravitational constant g and Planck's constant h are taken as fundamental units in a system. The dimensions of time in new system should be. 48th, the dimensional formula of coefficient of viscosity is. 49th, which of the following pairs of quantities do not have same dimensions? Potential gradient and electric field, torque and kinetic energy, light year and time period, impedance and reactance. 50. The dimension formula of torque is. 51. What is the fractional error in G calculating from T is 2 pi L by under root L by G, given fractional error in T and L are plus minus x and plus minus y respectively. 52. The dimensional formula of Farad is. 46. The answer is A. So impedance की dimensions are ml square t की power minus 3 I की power minus 2. 47th answer is A. 48th answer is D. 49th answer is C. 50th answer is A. 51 answer is C and 52 answer is B. 53. The least count of stopwatch is 0.2 seconds. The time of 20 oscillations of the pendulum is measured to be 25 seconds. The percentage error in the measurement of time will be. 54. If E is the charge, V is potential difference, T the temperature, then unit of EV by T is same as that of Planck's constant, Stephen's constant, Boltzmann constant, gravitational constant. 55. If the capacitance of nanocapacitor is measured in terms of unit U made by combining the electric charge E, Bohr's radius A dot, Planck's constant h and speed of light c, then. 56. A force F is applied onto a square plate of side L if the percentage error in the determining force and side are 2% and 3% respectively, then the percentage error in determining pressure is ml की power -1 t की power -1 stand for dimensions of work, torque, energy, coefficient of viscosity. 53 का आंसर है आंसर सी. 54 का आंसर इज सी. 55 answer is D. 56th answer is D. 57th answer is D. 58th. A physical quantity P is related to four observations A, B, C and D as follows. P is equal to a की power 3 b square C under root D. The percentage error in A, B, C and D are 1%, 3%, 2% and 4% respectively. The error in quantity P is. Next, consider the diameter of a spherical object being measured with the help of vernier calipers. Suppose its 10 vernier scale divisions VSD are equal to its 9 main scale divisions MSD. The least count in main scale is 0.1 centimeter and the zero of vernier scale is at 0.1 centimeter when the jaws of vernier calipers are closed. If the main scale reading for diameter is M is equal to 5 centimeter and the number of coinciding vernier divisions is 8, then the measured quantity after zero error correction is 60. In a vernier calipers, 20 VSD coincide with 16 MSD, each division of length 1 mm. The least count of the vernier calipers is 61. Each side of metallic cube of mass 5.580 kg is measured to be 9.0 centimeter. Keeping the significant figures in view, the density of material can be best expressed as x 10 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube, where value of x is 58th. Percentage error in P is 13%, answer is C. 59. Dia is 4.98, answer is C. 60th, least count is 0.02 centimeter. 61, x is 7.7. 62. The energy E, angular momentum L and universal gravitational constant G are chosen as fundamental quantities. The dimensions of gravitational constant in the dimensional formula of Planck constant H is 63. The dimension formula of magnetic field is 64. The constant proportionality 1 upon 4 pi epsilon dot in Coulomb's law has following dimensions. 65. In following equation x, t and f represent respectively displacement, time and force. F is equal to a plus bt plus 1 upon c plus dx plus a sin omega t plus phi. The dimensional formula of a into d is 66. If mass is measured in unit alpha kg, length in beta meter and time in second, then calorie would be 62 का आंसर इज ए. 63 का आंसर इज ए. 64 का आंसर इज ए. 65 का आंसर इज बी and 66 का आंसर इज सी. 67th. The electric field in a region is given by E is equal to A plus x cube y cap plus B j cap plus C z square k cap. The SI units of A, B, C are respectively. The dimension formula of inductance is the dimensions of magnetic flux field in ml T and C coulomb is given by. Displacement y is represented as y is equal to a sin a plus bx plus ct square plus d by x cube, where a, b, c and d are constant, x is distance and t is time. The dimensions of a, b, c, d are. 67th का आंसर इज बी, 68th का आंसर इज ए, 69th आंसर इज डी, 70 आंसर is m dot l square t की पावर -2. Answer is B. 71th. The angle 1 minute of arc in radian is nearly equal to 72. A screw gauge has least count 0.01 mm and there are 50 divisions on circular scale. The pitch of screw is 73. An screw gauge gives the following reading when used to measure the diameter of a wire. Main scale reading 0 mm, circular scale reading 52 divisions. Given that 1 mm on main scale corresponds to 100 divisions on the circular scale, the diameter of the wire from the above data is 74. A student measures the diameter of a small steel ball using screw gauge of least count 0.001 centimeter. The main scale reading is 5 mm and 0 of circular scale coincides with 25 divisions above reference level. If screw gauge has a zero error of minus 0.004 centimeter, the correct diameter of the ball is. 75th. The error in measurement which arises due to unpredictable fluctuations in temperature and voltage supply are. 71 answer is A, 72 answer is B, 73 answer is D, 74 answer is D and 75 answer is A. 76th. The time interval measured by a clock gives the following readings: 1.25 second, 1.24 second, 1.27 second, 1.21 second, 1.28 second. What is the percentage relative error of the observation? 77th. In an experiment, 4 quantities A, B, C and D are measured with percentage error 1%, 2%, 3% and 4% respectively. Quantity P is calculated as P is equal to a की power 3b square upon CD. The percentage error in P is. 78th. A student measures the distance traversed in free fall of body initially at rest in a given time. He uses this data to estimate g, the acceleration due to gravity. If the maximum percentage error in the measurement of distance and time are E1 and E2 respectively, the percentage error in estimation of g is. 79th. A metal wire has mass 0.4 plus minus 0.002 gram, radius 0.3 plus minus 0.001 mm and length 5 plus minus 0.02 centimeter. The maximum possible error in measurement of density will nearly. 76th answer is D, 77th answer is A, 78th answer is B, 79th answer is D. 80th. The area of rectangular field in square meter of length 55.3 meter and breadth 25 meter after rounding off the value of 4 correct significant figures is. Plane angle and solid angle have dimensions but no units, and no dimension, both units and dimensions, units but no dimensions. If E and G respectively denote energy and gravitational constant, then E by G has dimensions. Next, the dimensions of stress are. 84th. If force F, acceleration A and time t are chosen and fundamental physical quantities, find the dimensions of energy. 85th, Planck's constant h, speed of light c and Newton's gravitational constant g are three fundamental constants. Which of the following combination of these has dimensions of length? 80th का answer is C, 81th का answer is D, 82th का answer is A, 83 का answer is C, 84th का answer is B, 85th का answer is A. 86th, if energy E, velocity V and time t are chosen as fundamental quantities, the dimensions formula of the surface tension will be. 87th, if dimensions of critical velocity V of a liquid flowing through a tube are expressed as eta की power x, rho y, rho की power y, r की power z, where eta, rho and r are coefficient of viscosity, density of liquid and radius of tube respectively, then the value of x, y, z are given by. Next, if force F, velocity V and time t are taken as fundamental units, then dimensions of the mass are. 89th, the dimensions of mu dot epsilon dot की power minus half are. The dimensions of 1 upon epsilon dot E square, where epsilon dot is permittivity of free space and E is electric field, is. 86th का आंसर इज सी, 87th का आंसर इज ए, 88 का आंसर इज डी, 89th का आंसर इज बी, 90 का आंसर इज बी. 91, the dimensions m l square t की power minus 2 a की power minus 2 belongs to self inductance, magnetic permeability, electric permittivity, magnetic flux. Match list first with list second. Gravitational constant, gravitational potential energy, gravitational potential, gravitational intensity. L square t की power minus 2, m की power minus 1, L cube t की power minus 2, L t की power minus 2, ml square t की power minus 2. Next, when a copper sphere is heated, maximum percentage change will be observed in diameter, area, volume, none of these. A cube has a side of length 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Calculate the volume, its volume. Which of the following system of unit is not based on unit of length, mass and time alone? SI, MKS, CGS, FPS. 91 का आंसर इज ए, 92 का आंसर इज ए, 93 का आंसर इज ए, 93 का आंसर इज सी, 94 का आंसर इज ए, 95 का आंसर इज ए. 96th, in an experiment to measure the height of a bridge by dropping stone into water underneath, if the error in measurement of time is 0.1 second and at the end of 2 seconds, then the error in estimation of height of bridge will be. In relation, P is equal to alpha upon beta e की power minus alpha z upon k theta. P is pressure, K is Boltzmann constant, Z is distance and theta is temperature. The dimension formula of beta will be. Next, a wire has a mass 0.3 plus minus 0.003 gram, radius 0.5 plus minus 0.005 centimeter mm and length 6 plus minus 0.06 centimeter. The maximum percentage error in measurement of its density is. Next, if voltage V is 100 plus minus 5 volt and current I is 10 plus minus 0.2 ampere, the percentage error in resistance R is. Next, two full turn circular scale of a screw gauge cover a distance of 1 mm on its main scale. Total number of divisions on circular scale is 50. Further, it is found that the screw gauge has zero error of minus 0.03 mm. While measuring the diameter of a thin wire, a student notes the main scale reading of 3 mm and number of circular scale divisions in line with the main scale as 35. The diameter of the wire is 96 का आंसर is C, 97 का आंसर is A, 98 का आंसर is D and 99 का आंसर is C, 100th का आंसर is D. 101. In an experiment, the angles are required to be measured using an instrument. 29 divisions of the main scale coincide with 30 divisions of the vernier scale. If the smallest division of the main scale is half a degree is equal to 0.5 degree, then the least count of instrument is half minute, 1 degree, half degree, 1 minute. Next, calculate the mean percentage error in 5 observations. Eighty point zero, 80.5, 81.0, 81.5, 82. Next, in terms of t and distance x, the force F is given by F is equal to A sin ct and B cos dx. Then dimensions of A by B and C by D are given by. The wrong unit conversion among the following is 101 का आंसर is D, 102 का आंसर is A, 103 का आंसर is A and 104 का आंसर is D. Next, the mass of a liquid flowing per unit area of the cross section of a tube per second is proportional to pressure difference across the tube की power n into average velocity की power m of the liquid. Which one of the following relation is correct? Match column 1 with column 2 and mark the correct option from the chords given below. Electrical resistance, electrical potential, specific resistance, specific conductance. ml की पावर 3 t की पावर माइनस 3 a की पावर माइनस 2, ml स्क्वायर t की पावर माइनस 3 a की पावर माइनस 2, ml स्क्वायर t की पावर माइनस 3 a की पावर माइनस 1. Next, three physical quantities x, y, z have units gram, centimeter square, second की पावर 5, ग्राम सेकेंड की पावर -1 and centimeter second की पावर -2 respectively. The relation between x, y, z is. Next, the dimensional formula of Reynolds number is 105 का आंसर is B, 106 का आंसर is A, 107 का आंसर is A and 108 का आंसर is A. 109, the relation between force F and density D is F is equal to x upon root D. The dimensions of x are. Next, if the absolute errors in the two physical quantities A and B are A and B respectively, then the absolute error in the value of A minus B is. Next, if the unit of force is kilonewton, the length is 1 kilometer, time is 100 seconds, then what will be the unit of mass? Next, if n denotes a positive integer h, Planck's constant q is charge and b is magnetic field, then the quantity nh upon 2 pi qb has a dimensions of area, length, speed, acceleration. Next, the density of glass is 2.8 gram per cc in CGS system. The value of density in SI unit is. Next, in equation 1 upon Pb is equal to y upon kBt, where P is pressure, y is distance, kb is Boltzmann constant and T is temperature. Dimensions of beta are. 109 का आंसर is A, 110 का आंसर is C, 111 का आंसर इज सी, 112 का आंसर इज एरिया, एरिया इज ए, दिस इज आंसर इज ए, 103 का आंसर इज डी and 114 का आंसर इज बी. Next, a physical quantity x is defined by formula x is equal to if v square upon w l की power 3, where I is moment of inertia, f is force, v is velocity, w is work and l is length. The dimensions of x are. Next, a physical quantity x is given by x is equal to 2k की power 3 l square m root n. The percentage error in measurement of K, L, M and R are 1%, 2%, 3% and 4% respectively. The value of X is uncertain by. 117. The quantity A and B are related by the relation M is equal to A by B, where M is the linear density and A is the force. The dimensions of B are pressure, latent heat, work, none of these. 118. A physical quantity is given by x is equal to m की power a, l की power b, t की power c. The percentage error in measurement of m, l, t are alpha, beta and gamma respectively. Then the maximum percentage error in quantity x is. 119. If p is equal to rt by v minus b e की power minus alpha v by rt, then the dimension formula of alpha is PRTV. 115 का आंसर इज बी, 116 का आंसर इज सी, 117 का आंसर इज बी, 118 का आंसर इज ए, 119 का आंसर इज ए. 120. From the dimensional consideration, which of the following equation is correct? वन टू जीरो का आंसर इज ए. Note: the previous year's AIPMT/NEET physics course solution on Word AIPMT 2010 can be searched on YouTube by typing name of chapter, solution of AIPMT NEET, year, physics questions. For example, unit and measurements, solution of AIPMT 2010 physics questions. Practice questions for NEET can be searched on YouTube by typing name of chapter, chapter number 1 to dash dash dash. For example, unit and measurements, chapter number 1.